Hello, everyone. So the goal of this video is just to show you how to make estimated tax payments to the IRS through their website. It's a pretty straightforward process, but just wanted to walk you through it to kind of show you the steps. So the first step is you want to go to the IRS website. Here's the actual link. It's in the tax letters and kind of in a couple other places, but um, that's the link that you want to use. Essentially, go to the IRS website and say you want to pay your estimated tax payments, and then it'll take you to this page here. And this is where you can go into the IRS website and essentially schedule your payments to happen. So when you get on this page, the first thing it's going to do is ask you, what are you making the payment for? And you can see there's a lot of different options on here, but obviously the one that you're going to pick is estimated taxes. It'll pre-fill what you're applying the payment to, so nothing to really touch there. And then it's going to ask you what period you're making, like what are you making the payment for? So you can see, in the recording of this video, it's January 8th. So we're going to say that we're making a payment for 2024. If you are making a payment for the first quarter of 2025 or whatever year you're making a payment for, that's really when you're going to pick the year you want to pick there. So we're going to pick 2024, and then it's going to say, you want to make confirming that you want to make that estimated tax payment. If you hit continue, this next page here, this is the page where you confirm your identity. So this page is going to ask you which tax year you want to base this information off of. So what that means is all the information that it's asking you here it's saying it's going to pull this information from your 2023 tax return or whatever return you pick. So if you pick 2023, it wants your 2023 filing status, your name, your social security number, and your address on your 2023 tax return. So you want to fill out all this information, and then it'll take you to the next page. All right, so once you've entered in all of your personal information, it's going to take you to the next page, which is where it's going to ask you how much of a payment do you want to make? So that amount is obviously going to be whatever estimated tax amount you need to pay. And then it's going to ask you when you'd like the payment to happen. Now, you can schedule payments in the future, or you can just have the payment happen the day that you go in and actually process it. It's up to you, whichever option you prefer. So you'll fill out, again, the payment amounts, your routing number, your bank account routing number, and then your bank account number, and then basically say, is it a checking account or is it a savings account? And then it will ask you if you want to receive email confirmations saying that you've made those payments. It's a good idea to sign up for those so that you do have some sort of email record saying that the payments have been made. But again, that option is entirely up to you. All right. So then once you fill out the payment information, you'll kind of get to this final page here. It'll give you a little disclosure here that you'll have to agree to continue on. But then it's going to confirm everything that you're trying to do. So for the case of here, I've put in a dollar amount, of $1, some other random information. And then it'll ask you to electronically sign your payment. So that means you're going to put in, again, your name, your first name, your last name, and your social security number. Once you confirm all the information is correct, you electronically sign the payment. You'll hit you accept the agreement. Basically, you're saying you agree to having them pull the money from your account, and then you'll go ahead and hit submit. Once you hit submit, on the next page, it'll be a confirmation page. You want to make sure that you save this confirmation in some way, whether that's saving it as a PDF on your computer, printing it out, however you choose to do it, but you want to make sure that you've got this confirmation saved so that when it comes time for tax preparation, you've got the payments that you've made available to you. And that's it. Pretty simple. So again, hopefully not too difficult, but should be pretty easy to go ahead and make those payments online if you choose to do so. If you have any questions while you're making the payments, just let us know, and we're happy to help you as best we can.